Hi, today we are going to learn about leverage in finance. But first let us understand what leverage means. A lever is a simple tool, a bar of iron or a sturdy length of wood that may be used to move or dislodge something heavy. Leverage is the mechanical advantage gained by a person using a lever. According to Archimedes, the power of a lever is formidable. The noun from lever is leverage, the mechanical advantage gained by the use of a lever. A figurative meaning of leverage is an advantage for accomplishing a purpose. In finance, leverage is any technique involving the use of debt, borrowed funds, rather than fresh equity in the purchase of an asset, with the expectation that the after-tax profit to equity holders from the transaction will exceed the borrowing cost, frequently by several multiples, hence the provenance of the word from the effect of a lever in physics, a simple machine which amplifies the application of a comparatively small input force into a correspondingly greater output force. Normally, the lender, finance provider, will set a limit on how much risk it is prepared to take and will set a limit on how much leverage it will permit and would require the acquired asset to be provided as collateral security for the loan. For example, for a residential property the finance provider may lend up to, say, 80% of the property's market value. For a commercial property it may be 70%, while on shares it may lend up to, say, 60% or none at all on certain volatile shares. Leveraging enables gains to be multiplied. On the other hand, losses are also multiplied, and there is a risk that leveraging will result in a loss if financing costs exceed the income from the asset, or the value of the asset falls. Hope you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Happy learning!